Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to convert your Google Docs to Excel program. So open your Google Docs and after that click on File. Here hover cursor to download, and here guys you will see some options. Select here Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. If you not see here Microsoft Excel option, so Control A, then copy it. Now open your Excel sheet and Control V. So you have this data now. Just you have to customize and modify size and color and settings. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel.